Welcome to this mastery class, tapping into your guidance. It truly is an inner journey, and it's a time for us to reconnect to the part of us that is totally magnificent. I have found the key, and the key is within each and every one of us. The problem we're having is tapping into that key. We just don't know where to find it. We don't know how to connect into the part of us that is our magnificence. You hold the key to unlock the door to your suffering. And I'm digging deep into the resources that I've gathered over decades of doing this beautiful work, helping people to release energy and trauma signals in their being so that they can continue their life in a way that really connects with their absolute truth. Feel free to look at the course description and try the free preview. Thank you. This is Joy Truscott. Looking forward to working with you and taking this excellent journey.